What could be causing my dog's cough?
Coughing in dogs can be caused by a variety of factors, ranging from minor irritations to more serious health issues. Common causes include kennel cough, which is a contagious respiratory infection, allergies, or even heart disease. If your dog has recently been around other dogs, kennel cough could be the culprit. Allergies can also lead to coughing, especially if your dog is exposed to pollen, dust, or smoke. More serious conditions like pneumonia or heartworm disease can also manifest as a cough. It's important to monitor your dog's behavior and overall health. If the cough persists for more than a few days, is accompanied by other symptoms like lethargy, loss of appetite, or difficulty breathing, you should consult your veterinarian. They may recommend diagnostic tests such as X-rays or blood work to determine the underlying cause. In the meantime, ensure your dog stays hydrated and comfortable. Avoid exposing them to smoke or other irritants, and consider using a humidifier to ease their breathing. Early intervention can make a significant difference in your dog's recovery. What experiences have you had with your dog's cough?